Hi, my name is Kat. I would like to interview you about the flood in 2011. May I know your name, please?
My name is Sri Latana. Please call me Pocky.
Can you tell us a bit about your business?
Yes, I work in an engineering company. My product is a wet painting line and powder coating line. We start from design, fabricate, installation, and commissioning. We have a factory in Lamluka and the office close to Sierra Rangsit.
I know that the 2011 flood had affected many parts of Thailand. So, did the flood also affect your factories?
Yes, of course, a lot of effect.
Did your company still manage to work after your factory was flooded?
Yes, at that time, we have a project of making a painting line at Rayong, and we have to finish it in time. If not, we have to pay a penalty to the customer, and it is a big amount of money.
So, how do you adjust the working plan according to the situation?
It's a good question because at that time I saw the level come up and up and up. 1 hour 10 centimeters. So I think, oh no, we have to do something. So we move labor, material, equipment, and everything moved to Rayong and settle working camp at Rayong for continued working. And the office closed because the level of the water like this at the office. So we closed and the staff back home at up country. So at that time, I worked alone. Nobody helped us for the general work. So it's first difficult. And for the financial, I have to buy everything in cash because our supplier flood and closed. So we have to get a new supplier at Rayong. But they didn't open credit for us. So we have to pay everything by cash. And the bank flood too. So it is inconvenient for receive the help from the banks. So everything is difficult. Even the transportation closed, no goods on the shelf.
So, how long did it take your business to restore?
About 6 to 8 months to be back to the normal.
Aside from the negative effects, were there any positive effects?
Yes, at that time, everybody helped each other, help together. Some crying together and talking together. They look like a real brother or sister. And most of all, that situation created us a difficult immune. I don't know if it's correct or not, but I call it difficult immune for the for brother or sister. And most of all, that situation created us a difficult immune. I don't know if it's correct or not, but I call it difficult immune for the following life.
So, if there is a flood again, will your company have a way to protect yourself against the flood?
In my opinion, I think we are only just a little thing for the whole. Even we can do the micro protection for our factory, but I think it can help because the macro protection must be done by the government, and the government must have a policy and budget to make it for the permanent.
Thank you for your interview.
You're welcome.